Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at what we believe is the best "My Class is Full of Sweethearts" t-shirt available. The Qkdemfa Teacher's Day shirt in red. If you're a teacher looking for something fun, festive, and full of charm for Valentine's Day or any day you're feeling the love from your students, then this one's for you. Right off the bat, this shirt brings that perfect balance between comfort and personality. It's made from 100% rayon, which means it's not only lightweight and breathable but also drapes beautifully on the body. That's something you'll notice right away. It doesn't cling, it flatters. It's the kind of shirt that feels soft the moment you slip it on, and that softness stays, even after multiple washes. Just keep in mind, it's hand wash only, so treat it with a little extra care. Now let's talk design. The red fabric is vibrant and eye-catching, ideal for the Valentine's theme. Printed boldly across the front is the phrase, "My class is full of sweethearts," surrounded by a whimsical heart graphic. It's playful without being too flashy, and it definitely adds a little charm to your day, whether you're teaching in person or popping into a virtual class. It gives off warm, fun vibes that your students will absolutely notice. Styling-wise, the versatility here is solid. Pair it with jeans for a casual school outfit. Tuck it into a skirt for a more polished look. Or even throw it on over leggings if you're planning a cozy day in. It's got that O-neck cut that's relaxed but flattering, and the casual fit means it works on all kinds of body types. In this review, we're looking at the extra large size, and it runs true to size, but if you like a more oversized look, you might want to size up. As for when to wear it, that's the beauty of this tee. Of course, it's perfect for Valentine's Day, but really, it works year-round. Think school spirit days, casual Fridays, or just any day you want to bring a little love into your classroom. It's also a thoughtful and fun gift for fellow teachers, maybe as a group gift from students or even a teacher appreciation surprise. It comes in multiple sizes from small to XX large, so there's a great fit for everyone. And with the shirt being imported, the quality stands out. The pull-on closure makes it easy to throw on in the morning when you're rushing to get to class, and it still looks like you put some thought into your outfit. So, would we recommend this shirt? Absolutely. It's fun, it's meaningful, and most importantly, it's comfortable. For teachers who want to showcase their passion for what they do, or just want a cute themed shirt for the holiday, this is a no-brainer. That wraps up our 5-minute breakdown of the Qkdemfa Teacher's Day shirt, the best "My Class is Full of Sweethearts" t-shirt out there. If you're interested, you can check it out on Amazon, and remember to explore different sizes and color options if red isn't quite your thing. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've got a favorite teacher tee you'd like us to review next. See you next time.